It's a printer. It's a wireless printer. What's more, it's a 5 cartridge wireless printer. What's more, this little baby cost me the princely sum of £59 from a place called Ryman. And they had it in stock and we took delivery of it yesterday. And I've not bothered opening it until now. But I thought I would do it today because, why not? We've got something, we may as well use it. So there it is. That's the box. Good box. As somebody else alluded to, huge manual. We have obviously the cartridges there and the power there. It's wireless, obviously. It's an all-in-one, obviously. It comes with some DVD setup. One thing about Canon is they are not in the business of saving things. Here's this, here's that. Okay, there it is in all its glory. It is a shop model, so there's some minor scratches there. That is for the scanner, Copier. Back here. That is the paper feed, multi-page paper feed. This is to set the width of your paper. Once you've actually done this, it will never go back together again. There you go. Here, you get to the gubbins inside, and so this is where I put my printer. Why? Because I come in here with my laptop quite a lot, and really I'm not going to be wanting to interface my Mac Pro with it. I'm not really going to be wanting to interface my iMac with it, so I will bring my laptop in, doing my work in here and printing it off in here. So here we have the adjustable control panel, effectively, which is great. If you look over here, that's an SD card holder, so you can go direct print off SD cards, which is useful. So I just plugged it in at the back. There's only one aperture to plug. Star USB connection, which I was not aware of, which you can take advantage of if that's what you have. Really nice things. And here, more areas, more coming up. It tells me that everything is in there. CLI571. When it says ending, please wait a while. It is there while. Want to go on once it's never been taken out. We're just going to set this up. I'm going to go with English. And then they want Canon request information related to your Canon product is sent. Okay, we'll go okay with that. It's not touchscreen. Description.